Hi guys and welcome. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a clickable link in Canva. Now I have opened a document and placed a template here. Now here you can see that there is a website. Now I'm going to change it to the website of Canva just to show you the results when we go and share a PDF. Now I'm going to put canva.com here. And now we are going to place a link. So you just click on the letters here, and then you see here this little icon, a link. You put it here, and then you can copy paste the website that you want or the place you want people to go when they click on the link. So now I'm going to use canva.com. Click on OK, link added. And now you can see there is a line under the text, and that means that it has worked. Now we are going to download the file just to show you how it looks when it's a PDF or another document. So I'm going to click on share, download. Then I'm going to use a standard PDF, download, and then I will show you how it looks. Okay, so now I have downloaded my PDF file. You can see it here. And here you can see the link that we just made in Canva. Now, when I click on it, then you can see that the site of Canva opens. So this means that the clickable link works. Now, this is how you make a clickable link in Canva. It is just that easy, and you can do it with anything you want and any file you want. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.